What's going on? My name is Zach Holcomb with Additive America. And I just wanted to remind you, as I'm wearing a hoodie and this morning it's a little bit cold, fall has started to arrive here in Kinston, North Carolina. I just wanted to remind you, if you're running those HP machines, it's that time of year also in the springtime where you start to have those weird build effects in your builds, because some nights your building might be running the heating system, some nights it might be running the air conditioning. So just a friendly reminder to you to check your humidity and your temperatures in your room as you're running and starting your builds. As we all know, these systems are super duper prone to, responding to those teeny tiny little changes. So just wanted to remind you, again, every time I show up in the fall wearing a hoodie or show up in the spring not wearing a hoodie, it's kind of one of those reminders to kind of check on those things again and make sure everything's running up to snuff. If you need, there's like for $15, $20, $25, you can get those little like deals that you can just put on the wall or you can put on your processing station, and it'll measure your humidity and your temperature and all that stuff, and you can put it on your phone and it'll remind you, it'll send you like alerts and stuff to let you know that like, hey, the humidity has gotten to here or whatnot. So anywho, friendly tip of the day, hope you're having a great week. We are here as well. Catch up with y'all later.